I don't know what intro that was, but what's up?
It's a beautiful day in the neighborhood, a beautiful day for a
I am on my way to go pick up a seat for the homie Randy because he lent me his seat for iBalk. I didn't feel like taking it out, so instead of, taking out the seat, I'm just gonna take out some money to go buy him a seat. Huh? My life is weird. What's up, son? Turn, son. Turn the wagon. Turn the big body. Yeah. I love Facebook Marketplace, man. I just randomly wrote this dude. I'm like, yo, is this seat still available? He's like, oh, shit. It's Zosh. I was like, damn, I can't lowball anymore. But he accepted my offer. So that's amazing. I love people that hey, bro, support your local YouTubers, all right? Support them. It's nice. So we're here at the spot picking up the new seat. Man, that color just looks good. All right, my man Eric got the seat right here. Oh, it's reclining. Randy, you're welcome, Randy, if you're watching. You're welcome, bro. That thing is minty clean.
I didn't even use it, bro.
Wow.
Literally sat in the closet the whole time.
We're gonna miss any of the shipping or any of the inventory.
What's up, y'all? So it is indeed the next day, bro. After I got the seat, I went by the homie Travis' house. I stayed there for a little too long. And then I went to Randy's house to drop off the seat. And then I went to the gym with Randy and my nephew. Then now it's today. So what's up? So this is the seat that I'm gonna keep in the car. This is Randy's bride seat from his RSX, obviously. I'm just gonna keep it in the car at all times. I actually have to go to Ace Hardware to pick up a bolt and nut so I can bolt in the seatbelt buckle. Where did I put it? So I got the buckle right there. So then I got passengers in my car and they won't be afraid. This upcoming Halloween, there's a track day at PBIR that I want to sign up for. Me being the smart man that I am, I messaged him first. I was like, hey, is it cool if I sign up for the event? I don't have a Hans device, but I have a 5-point harness that's bolted to the floor of the rear seat. And they wrote me back, they was like, hey, it's mandatory to have a Hans device if you're running harnesses. So I was like, I'm going to do something that I'm going to regret. Well, I'm not really gonna regret, but I'm gonna be in debt. Now, I don't know the size I need for my Hans device. What I'm gonna do is take my helmet and go get everything, situated, everything good to go. And then, yeah, we'll register for the track event this Saturday. And we can finally redeem ourselves from our first ever road course event at Palm Beach. So we can see how much we improved. I probably won't have a lap timer by then unless somehow, I don't know, I find $1,000 somehow. We are living, bro. We are living, bro. We are living, bro. Wine Country Motorsports. Let's get ourselves a Hans. Oh, that's sick, the steering wheel. Okay, bro, here we have. This right here is my new helmet. My other helmet got stolen at OSW this past weekend. Yeah, bro, sucks, but oh well, it is what it is. Look how cool that is, bro. The little anchor points for the Helms device. Well, not Helms, the Hans device. This thing right here cost $500, bro. Basically, essentially, I got it on sale, but this thing retails for like $449 plus tax, almost like $500 for this plastic thing. But this will save your life, bro. This little thing would save your life. So we got some gloves, we got a Hans device, we got a helmet. All we're missing is a dope ass tracksuit, bro. I really want a suit, bro. I know it's overboard for what I do now. I'm only 2 events in. It's so fire, bro. It's so fresh. And I got the shoes. All I need is a nice little Sparko suit. Sparko, if you're watching. Sparko. Spark. Call him Spark for short. What's that? Also, let me spread some knowledge to you guys about something real quick. Obviously, picking up one of those banners is like very knowledgeable because you should. When you do that and hang it in your room or your garage, you will receive infinite amount of energy from your boy Zosh. Go buy that and use discount code PROUD. 20% off. Go, hey, just go. But other than that, if you guys remember, probably not, but I had bought some NGK spark plugs off eBay because I saw them for a good deal. Turns out, sellers on eBay are selling fake NGK spark plugs. What a surprise. I know. If you guys have bought any type of spark plug off eBay, you probably should do what I'm about to show you guys so you don't get ripped off. Okay, so here we have one set of real plugs and one set of fake plugs. Can you guys guess which box is the real box, which is the rep box? You can't guess, it is what it is. This is the real box, right? So this is the fake box. I'm gonna show you everything on the fake one. Everything looks legit. Part numbers there. Everything is legitness. Now, this is the real box. Here we go. Boom. 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 Everything's legit, right? Well, this was a telltale sign that my box is fake. Like, my spark plugs are fake. So you see this, and then you look at this one. You see the barcode, the numbers are different size, and you got 2 more branding stamps right there. One on the real box, you just got 1 branding stamp and the letters are different. So if you see both, I mean, the numbers are the correct numbers, but you guys can obviously see the difference. The one on top is real, the one on the bottom is fake. Very close though, very close, but you guys can tell. Just left the hardware place, had to get some bolts so I can bolt up my passenger seat properly, playboy. And yeah, now I'm on the way home. And oh, about the spark plug, yeah, that's just a telltale sign. Tattletale sign. 6'9"? Man, this light is beautiful. Let's do a nice quick little spark plug exchangey. Little spark plug, little tune up. You hear me? Little tune up. So these are the fake spark plug, I guess, packaging. And then this is the real one. You see there's no dash. And that's another telltale sign, bro. Yeah, man. Okay. All right, so I was watching a Vasile Racing Instagram story thing. And Vasile, if you're watching, you're the GOAT, bro. You're the GOAT. And I've been having issues with my cooling, my heat exchange, all that stuff. And I was watching his story and he was making a splitter for his EK that he got. And he said, you don't want your splitter to go all the way to the oil pan because then you'll have gases just sitting there. It won't, no escaping of the gases coming from the motor and the thermostat, the fan, like it just won't go anywhere. So I had cut my splitter to accommodate that. So now, usually before my splitter would go all the way back to the oil pan, all of that underneath would be black. And now I just cut it. I should have filmed it, but I didn't. But as you guys can see, this is, you know, part of my splitter that I cut. So now I'm gonna take the tech out for a drive. We're gonna go over to Randy's house and yeah, we'll see how the temps and everything goes, cause I know I've been having this issue for a minute now where like at idle, my car will just be idling and the temps just go up and up and up after I bleed. And I was like, bro, what could be the issue? And hopefully, you know, now that I have some airflow, that should fix my problem. So let's see what's up. Temps at 173, bro. Like, what in the world? Dog. Me cutting that really did that big of a difference? I'm still running an OEM thermostat. So it opens up at like 190, I believe. Or something like that. Bro, bro. What the hell? I know I got my phaser coming at 170. Dog, what? Well, it isn't sunny outside though, so that might be a reason too. I don't know. I'm gonna let the car idle while I'm at Randy's house to see what it does. Cause I know it's gonna get up more up in temps. Cause there's no way. There's really no way this thing's gonna be at 173. That just doesn't make any sense. All right, made it to Randy's. Just gonna let the car idle, see how high to get in temps. Usually it climbs up a lot once I'm just sitting in traffic. Like if I'm at a drive-through, it go to like 192, then it'll go all the way up. So we're gonna see how well she does, Playboy. All right, temps are up at 190. Car's been idling at Randy's house for like 5 minutes now. So we're gonna see if it goes more than that, boy. I don't know though, I think we're good, bruh. I think we good, bruh. I think we good, bruh. Let's go! Yeah, totally forgot to film an outro, so I'm filming it on my phone, so you didn't need to know all that. But hey, what's up though? I love you. I hope you know that. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like on the video. If you did not enjoy this video, please dislike the video. I don't give a fuck. I love each and every single one of y'all crazy mother lovers. And if you love me, please buy a hoodie or a shirt. I really want a CTR, bro. My Evo dreams one day, but CTR 2021. I really want a CTR, bro. And we gonna do it. We gonna manifest it and work every goddamn day towards it. But I love you. Thank you for watching this video. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Track day tomorrow. I will be at PBIR. I'm about to order my ticket right now. Yeah, I'll see you guys tomorrow if you guys go to the track day. If you don't, then I love you, and I'll catch you guys Sunday when you see that track day video. Okay. Stay safe. And drink water. All right.